Hi crypto enthusiasts and fellow pioneers. In this short update, I'm going to talk about how you can unlock your locked pi. Okay, this is what we are going to be looking at in this short video. Okay, for those of you who don't know, when pi launched for the first time, users had the option to lock their pi and let it mine by itself for several years. Okay, now if you have been seeing what is happening on pi, a whole lot is happening. Coins are being migrated from one wallet to another. Now for those of you who have your coins locked, there is no way you can do all this. Okay, and of course, why coins are being migrated, people are transacting the pi. Those who locked their pi coins are asking, how about us? Okay, now in this short video, I'm going to let you know that pi didn't forget about you. If you locked your pi coins, you still have the opportunity to unlock it even before the expiry date. Okay, now I'm going to show you, because pi is updating their app on daily basis to make sure that it is it is very useful to everyone at any time. All right, so those of you who have locked pi coins, here are the things you have to do. Okay, so follow me closely. The first thing you have to do is, first of all, to go over to click on this. First, open your pi app. Okay, click on the three lines at the top left corner. So once you do that, you're going to have several options. Okay, so the next thing you want to select at this point is the pi utilities. Okay, so when you select the pi utilities, the next thing you want to do is you have to select the wallet option. Okay, so when you select the wallet option, you'll be required to enter a backup phrase. Please, you have to keep your backup phrase. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. So after tapping on wallet, you have to enter your backup phrase. So once you enter the backup phrase, all right, so after you enter your backup phrase, it's gonna take some time to load, and what you can do at this point is just to copy your wallet address. Okay, just to copy your wallet address right here. Now that is the reason why we are trying to enter the backup phrase. Okay, so we copy the wallet address, that is the pi wallet address. Okay, now once you copy the wallet address, the next thing you want to do is just go all the way back and then go back to the browser option, and then all you have to do at this point is just to type this word. You have to type pi, or you say pi lock dot help. Okay, so after you type pi lock dot help, it's gonna load. So at this point, I'm pleased to inform you that pi added this feature in order to help those who have locked their pi for several years. However, they are willing to utilize the opportunity pi currently have, and then sell some of their pies and then get some money. Okay, so that is why pi came up with this pi lock dot help option, so that they can be able to unlock their lock pies and then get do whatever they want to do with their pies. Okay, at this point, you have several options. The first option right here is just to check the lock pi. Another one is to unlock the pi. Another one is to get more help. Okay, at this point, I know most of all of you want to choose the one in the middle, but you might want to check how much pi check pi that is locked, that is the balance. So at this point, you have to enter the wallet you copied. Okay, then you click on the check locked pi. Right, so once you do that, you're gonna see the quantity of pi you have locked. Then at this point, you can go back and unlock that amount. Okay, so so we can now select the unlock pi. Okay, then at this point, you're gonna enter your backup phrase again, and then you can select what quantity of pi you want to unlock. For instance, let's say you have 1,000 pi and you want to unlock 10%. You're going to have maybe 100 pi. However, if you want to unlock the 1,000 pi you have, you can click on 100%. That is to unlock everything, and then pi is going to release it and send to your wallet. Okay, so at this point, you're gonna enter the backup phrase, 24 word backup phrase, and then unlock your pi. So you just have to select this option called the unlock with the backup phrase. You can also unlock with fingerprint, just in case you have this set up. If you don't have that set up, you can also unlock with your backup phrase. Enter your backup phrase and unlock. Okay, so that is how this option is going to work for you.